Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review and sound test of the PODS. Yes, these are fake bootleg KO knockoff AirPods, so they're not the real deal. But you know what? For only $13 from Menards, I'm not going to complain that much. Because if you know the real AirPods or the new release ones of the AirPods 2, you could get them online for like the App Store, which is kind of okay, but if you ever went to the actual Apple Store, you know that it's a freaking nightmare day. Yeah, you have to go in the store, wait a half hour just to see someone. Then when someone comes up, it's like, can I help you? Like, yeah, I need some AirPods here. It's like, okay, hon, let me put your name on the list. You're like, why do you need to put my name on the list? You're standing right here. I can smell your breath. I can see the pimples on your face. I can play connect the dots with the pimples on your forehead. It's like, come on, man, I can give you a bear hug right here. Shake your hand. Come on, let's bump fists. It's like, why the F do you need to put my name on the freaking list? I'm standing right here. You just go in the back, grab the AirPods. It's like, okay, meet me up front at the front counter. Give me like 2 minutes. I'll go in the back, give you some AirPod 2s, ring you up. Here's the price. You pay like the $160. Here's your receipt. Everything's in the bag. Now go on, get out here. You got other stores to chow in the mall. Nope, it's like, wait an hour and a half. Hey, one of the Apple purifier comes up to you. It's like, hey, how can I help you? How can you help me? I need freaking AirPods too. That's how you can help me. Okay, sir, now you gotta wait on the list until your name is called. That'll be like another 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours? What the F? I'm right here. I'm standing right here. I'll talk to you right here, face to face. Go in the little bedroom. Grab the AirPods 2, put it on the counter, go beep, boop, boop, on the computer, $160, here's the $160, you drop it in the bed with the receipt, pew, out there faster than Sonic the Hedgehog, you know? Nope, it's like, wait for someone to talk to you, then when they talk to you and put you in the list, then you gotta wait for your name to be called. I mean, it's stupid, freaking stupid there. Ugh, how stupid it is there. I couldn't understand if you had one line because, you know, someone brought in there like Apple MacBook 2 or MacBook Air free or whatever it is that they're on now. You know, I couldn't understand. Someone got like mayonnaise stuff in there. Bologna sandwich. How do you get bologna sandwich stuff on the CD-ROM drive? I don't know, but, you know, something like that I could, yeah, definitely understand. But just to help a customer who's just buying like 1 or 2 things, like, yeah, okay, like maybe, you know, I want the Apple Watch 4 that just been released, and I want like a band for it and a protector case. You know, 3 things, you're like, okay, there's the case, there's the band, there's the watch. Put it out, okay, you want the black watch with the crystal clear, you know, protector case on it, and you want like some, I don't know, Scooby-Doo or Batman or Deadpool or Legend of Zelda, you know, wristbands. Okay, go up to the front. Then when you're up, okay, here's how much you pay, you know, something simple like that. Nope. Don't know why I can't be. Like, if you go to Walmart or Target or Best Buy, you're like, hey, how can I help you? You're like, hey, I need, like, the PS4 game from behind the case. They're like, oh, okay, sure. You go to GameStop, they're like, hey, what's up? How can I help you? You know, it was super funny at GameStop, you know. You're like, yeah, you know, let me see that PS4, like, you know what, give me the Scruff 1 controller for the Xbox One. Like, okay, which one do you want? You know what, give me the newest one, the STR-C7047, you know, that has multiple faceplates, it's green, it's blue, it's purple. They're like, sure, no problem. Okay, you got your card, okay, here's your card, your membership reward card, boop, 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 on the computer, and, yeah, it's gonna be like $65. Here you go, here's the receipt. Alright, bounce, get out of the way, get to stepping, you know, but, you know, GameStop wouldn't tell you get to stepping, but you understand how it's so much simpler and easier and smart and correctly. Unlike the Apple Store, which is like a bunch of freaking stupid retarded people there that's like, yes, you must wait in line to now see me, now your name must be on the list, now we must go and wait for like 5.5 hours to call your name. What the F? I feel like saying, hey man, if I sub you like 25, does my name get like moved on the list? Do I get like, you know, special VIP treatment? Do I get to go like behind the desk, behind the counter. Do I get to like go in the back room? Is that like the freaking VIP room, man? If I sell you like $25, what if I give you $50? You know, can I go in the back room, just grab myself like the AirPods 2 and go to the front computer and ring myself up and pay with my own money and just leave the money in the cash register? You know, what the F? Seriously, for real, Apple. What the F? That's stupid retarded. Go to every other store you walk into. It's not like, hey, you go into like McDonald's up there, and you're like, yeah, give me another six. You know, Big Whopper or like quarter pounder, fries, drink. It's like, okay, you want that? Now come back in 6.5 hours, and then you get your meal. No, really. Okay, just wait like maybe 5-7 minutes. You see it coming off the grill. We put it in the wrapper. We wrap it up. We throw it on the tray. We put it in the bag. Alright, there you go. Simple. But not the Apple Store. Yeah. So these are called the Pods. They're made by Power2Go. The Bluetooth supports the Apple phone. So iPhone, Android, which is and tablets. These are the white versions. I guess apparently there is a black version of the Pods. So you can visit them at power2goshop.com. Link down below in the description. Yes, they are made by China. Integrated remote, stereo HD sound, Bluetooth V 4.2, 33-foot range, sweat resistant, noise canceling, hands-free calling, up to 6 hours playtime.